This is KC5TJT. We're going to do a test on an Alpha 87A today. It's an automatic amplifier by Alpha. This amp was actually made by ETO. This amp has the Alpha Max and Alpha Remote built in. Amplifier runs a pair of 3CX800A7s, rated about 800 watts a tube. We're going to run the radio today on a Flex 5000. It's a 5000A. Run the 5000 on a Dell XPS computer. It's a quad-core processor computer, and it's all pretty new stuff. Flex is nice Flex radio. This is the SDR software. This is the newest version, 1.16.1. It's the newest version that's approved by Flex anyway. And we're going to do our testing today on a set of PowerMaster array solution 10 kW meters. If you notice, we're on 28 megahertz right here on the radio. We're going to start on 10 meters. Do a little test on the amplifier on 10. It's already already warmed up and it's ready for 10 meters. We're going to drive it with about 65 watts, and we're going to go ahead and test it now. Test 1, 2. This is a test of the Alpha 87A. Notice it's showing over 2 kW on the meter on the amplifier itself. Everything's operating as it should. Reflected power is low, less than 10 watts. Grid current looks like it's peaking at about maybe 40 mils. We're going to come back around here, and there's the 65 watts of drive from the radio. And we're going to come over here to the PowerMaster meters. It don't read what the meters on the front of the amperage, but it shows a nice peak of there's about 1600 watts right there, 17. It'll actually peak out a little higher than that if you drive a little harder. We're well within standards here. I'm sure the amp would do 2000 watts fairly easily. We're going to go ahead and change bands on the Flex. We'll go up here to let's go to 75 meters, and got a little bit more noise in there now. We're going to come over here to the Alpha, and we're going to go ahead and key up here, and what it's going to do is go through a test cycle first and then set the frequency automatically. Check, there it goes. It says wait, and it's ready to go. It's already tuned itself automatically to 75 meters. You notice it changed right there on the meter, and it even picked the band segment that we're in, which is correct. We're at 37.715. And then again, we're still showing about 1500 watts or so on the amplifier, and we're still running about the same drive. So we're going to come back around here to the PowerMaster meters one more time, and we're going to test 1, 2, about the same output power. Tubes are good. Check 1, 2, and that's fully automatic. And this concludes our test of Alpha 87A. Thank you very much. KC5TJT. Have a good day.